Hi dear students, today we are discussing algebraic expressions. Now, this topic is completely based on the 8th standard because now I am discussing bridge course concept based on some important topics are there. Now the first one is algebraic expressions. Here, in algebraic expressions, some important points are the first one constants, constants. Then second one is variables, constant, variables, and expressions, expressions, expressions. Now, three types of expressions are there. First one is monomial, binomial, trinomial. Here, the first one is monomial, monomial, and the second one is binomial, binomial, and then trinomial, trinomial. And the next concept is addition of monomial, binomial, trinomials, and multiplication of monomial, binomial, trinomials. So these are the important sub points in algebraic expressions. Okay. In this algebraic expressions, so these are very important basic points. One by one, today we are discussing. Now the first point is constants. Constants means you already know about all the points. Now constant definition is the study of numbers, or all the numbers are constant numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. You take any natural number. Not only natural number, you take any number. All the numbers are the constants. Yes? And the next point is variables. Variables means all the letters, alphabetical letters are called variables. For example, X, Y, M, N, P, Q, etc. You take any letters A to Z. Yes, and the one more point is here X Y. This is also expression. This is a type of X Y. Two expressions, two variables are there, but in these two variables, in between the multiplication sign is there. That's why now X Y is a variable. Similarly, you take any letters again, you take X, Y, Z. This is also variable. Now X, Y, N, P, Q, A, B, C. These are the standard variables. What we consider standard variables? It means most of the examples are on the basis of these expressions, these variables. Okay, that's why. Now again, the next point is expressions. Expression means in the form of a term, in the form of a terms. See, in the form of a terms, in the form of a terms. Here, according to the arrangement of terms, the classified into three types. One is monomial, another one is binomial, another one is trinomial. Now, the first one is monomial definition. The expression having only one term. Mono means single. Mono means single. Then, mere means term. Mere means terms. Now, the given expression having only one term is called a monomial. Similarly, by means two. Yes, by means two. That's why the binomial definition is a given expression having two terms, having a two terms, having two terms. For example, see one thing, another point. The examples of monomial. The monomial examples are x, y, x, y, x, y, z, or you take m, n, mn, etc. Now these are all monomial examples. And similarly, binomial definition is binomial terms are having two terms, having containing two terms. Now binomial. That's why here, for example, x plus y, you take x minus y also, no problem. Here in between, you take any two terms, any two variables. In between, binary operation is used. Binary means addition or subtraction. Addition or subtraction operations are used now between the two variables. That is called a binomial. That's why, for example, binomial examples are x plus y, x minus y, and you take m minus n, m plus n also. Or many examples are there, 2x minus 1 here. 2x minus 1 here. 2x, x is a variable but 1 is a constant. But in between, any variables or any two constant number, any two numbers between the addition and subtraction operations are used are the examples of binomial. Similarly, the next one is trinomial. Now the trinomial definition is a given expression having contains three terms. For example, x plus y plus z. Now xy plus yz plus zx. See, xy is only one term. Yz is also only one term. And zx is also one term. In between, addition or subtraction operations are used. Now that is called a trinomial example. Yes? For example, x minus y minus z. This is also example of trinomial. Yes? Now, again, we are discussing some important concepts of monomial, binomial, trinomial terms related. Addition, subtraction, multiplication. Yes? Now, addition of monomial to monomial, and multiplication of monomial to monomial, binomial to binomial, monomial to binomial, binomial to trinomial. These are the next concepts are there. Now, one by one, now we are discussing. See, the first one is you have to identify like terms. Now, what do you mean by like terms? Like terms means constants. Like sorry, like terms means similar. For example, x, 2x, 3x, minus x, y, 2y, 3y, 3xy, 5xy. Now, these are some variables. In these variables, you have to identify like terms. Like terms means same variable. Yes, like terms means given variables are having same. For example, in this is a bunch of variables. That's why here x, 2x, 3x, minus x. These are one pair of a. This is one pair of like terms. Similarly, another condition, another pair y, 2y, 3y. This is the second pair. Second pair. Finally, now the remaining variables are this is the third pair because here is also xy, here is also xy. It means these are the like terms or like variables. Here, unlike means here x and y. In these two variables, x is a different, y is a different. It's not connected to any binary operations or any fundamental operations are not used. That's why these are unlike terms. Unlike unlike terms. Yes. Now, like terms and unlike terms based, we are taking addition of monomial, addition of binomial, addition of trinomials. It means addition of monomial, binomial, trinomial concept is developed. How? See. Now, one by one, we are studying examples. Now, the first example is here. The first example, add add x, 2x, 3x. Now, in this problem, three variables are given. These three variables are having the same variable, that is the x only. Here is x, 2x, and 3x. In these three terms, having the same variable. equal to, here is x coefficient. X coefficient is 1, here x coefficient is 2, and here x coefficient is 3. That's why you have to add these three. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. That's why write it first constant number. Then finally, same variable. The variables are same. That's why x is anti-derivative. Now, x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 6x. Similarly, you take another example. Example number 2. 3x plus 4xy. 3xy plus 4xy is equal to, first you add constants 3 and 4. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Then we are observing both the terms having the same variables. Here is also x and y, and here is also x and y. Both are having the same variables. That's why here you write it 7xy. Okay, next. And similarly, the many examples are there. Now, xyz plus 3xyz plus 4xyz. Now, in this problem also, xyz complete, this is only one term. That's why xyz coefficient is 1. But here xyz coefficient is 3. Yes, next, here is xyz coefficient is 4. Now, first you have to add constant numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 8x y z. Next, similarly, we are using subtraction operations also. Having the same rule, you have to apply. How? See, in these are all examples we observed. All addition of operation we used. In between, addition or subtraction operations are used. Similarly, you have to simplify all the problems here. And for example, x plus y minus 2x plus 3y minus y minus 4x minus 4x plus 9x. Now, in this problem, addition and multiplication, sorry, addition and subtraction, both operations are used. Now, you only concentrate like terms first. Here is a x, here is also same variable, and the one more variable is 4x, and finally 9x is also same variable. Now, here is x coefficient is 1. Okay, then here is x coefficient is 1, and here you observe it. Here x coefficient is 2, and in this term x coefficient is 4, and finally 9x, x coefficient is 9. But you have to concentrate. Here is a positive, but here is negative, and here is a positive. That's why first positive terms you have to add it. Here is a plus 1, here is a plus 9. It means 10x. 10x. Next, here is a minus 2x, minus 4x. Now, minus into minus plus, but the same common sign is negative. Can you write it? Then minus 2, minus 4. Now, you have to add both in terms. You get a minus 6. And in this problem, the another type of the like terms are there. Y is another variable type of the like terms. Y, 3y minus y. Here, positive terms first you add it, then afterwards you have to subtract the negative values. Here, minus plus y plus 3y is equal to 4y minus of y. Now, see, both are having the same variable 10x minus of x. That's why here is a 4x plus here 4y minus 1. Y coefficient is 1. 4 minus of 1 is equal to 3. That's why 3y. You have to write it positive because the greater sign is positive. That's why this is the answer of the given problem. Yes, in this type of many problems are there. Now one by one we are Now the next one, fifth example. Fifth example is 2xy plus xz minus of 5xy minus 7xz. Now, first step, you have to identify like terms. Here, xy and here is also xy. It means these two are the like terms. This is the one pair. And another variables are here is a x z. Here is also x z. It means the second pair of same like variables. Second pair of a like variables or like terms. Here, one by one. First xy term. Here, here is a 2x, but here is a minus 5y. Here is a 2xy, but here is a minus 5xy. In these two terms, you observe. First, you write 2xy minus 5xy and another pair plus xz minus 7xz. Yes. Next, in these two terms, we observe same variables xy and here is also xy, but now you have to subtract it. 2 minus of 5. Now the greater sign is negative. First we write negative sign. Then 5 minus of 3. So 5 minus of 2 is equal to 3. Then xy as it is. This was the same variable. Okay. Next. Again, same procedure here is also you follow. Here is a plus 1. Here is a minus 7. The greater sign is negative. Here you write plus negative sign. Then 7 minus of 1. Why you subtract these two? Plus into minus. The greater sign is negative. Here is negative sign. Then 7 minus of 1 is equal to 6xz. Now this is the solution of your problem. Similarly, now you have to solve it. I will give you some examples. Here x, y, z minus m n p plus 7x y z plus m n p. This one also I am solving. Here x y z. This is the one term. Here is also x y z. It means these two are the like terms. Yes, and similarly, there is a m and p, and it is also m and p. This is another pair of like terms. Okay, next. M and p, and there is also m and p. In these two, in this problem, two pair of like terms are there. First one xyz, the another one is 7xyz. Here is xyz plus 7xyz. First, you have to write one side of this like terms, and next, here is the minus m and p. Write it as this. You don't change the sign. Okay, as it is. Minus sign is there. Minus sign. M and p. M and p as it is write it. But the last term is positive. M and p plus m and p. Now, the next point is now we are concentrating xyz, 7xyz. Both are positive. Directly you have to add it. Xyz coefficient is 1. That's why 8xyz. 8xyz. And finally, here is also 1 mmp and here is also 1 mmp. Minus 1 minus 1. Sorry, minus 1 plus 1 0. That's why both are cancelled. Now the answer is 8xyz. Okay. Now I will give us some examples on the basis of addition of monomial, binomial, trinomials, or addition of variables. Based on I have given to you some examples. Now this is homework examples. Homework examples. Homework examples. Now the first one is P Q minus 2pq. And the second one is 2ab minus ab plus 3ab. And third one, 2xy z minus xy plus 5xy z plus of xy. Okay, this is the third example. And the fourth example is now 2 times of 2p, 2 times of p minus 2 times of q plus 2 times of 2pq minus 5 times of p minus 5 times of q. Okay, next, fifth one, m n plus mnp plus 3 times of mn minus of 7 times of mnp. Now, these are 5 examples and another 5 examples I will give you. Now, sixth one, the sixth one is x square plus y square plus 2 times of x square plus 3 times of y square. Now, square term is also x square. Not only degrees 1 is not only single term. Any power terms you take, for example, x square, x cube, x raised to 4, x raised to 5. These are also single term. That's why according to this, the problems are there. Now the next one is seventh one. The seventh question is 3x square y minus y square z plus 8x square y plus z y square. Next, eighth question, m square n square minus of 3m square n square plus 5 times of m square n square. Okay. Next, ninth question, x y z square minus of 10x y z square plus of 15x y z square. And finally, m plus n whole square plus m plus n whole square. Now, this is the last example. Now, you have to solve all the problems. Then you have to send it to the WhatsApp group. Okay? Thank you.